channel. So today guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a collar using these clothes that you didn't use. So let's get started. So guys, I have here my old short. So if you have any cloth that you didn't use, you can use that. So now we are going to cut side by side of my short. So now guys, I'm going to cut the down part of this cloth so we can make a shape for my collar. So now here it is. Then let's cut it out. Ta-da! It's done. So we just need to clean it out because it's a mess. So let's clean it out. Ta-da! Yeah, it's not that very clean. It's not that very neat, but it's fine. So guys, now we need to connect it. We need to sew it. Ta-da! It's all done. So now we need to make a piece of cloth. Ta-da! Yeah, here it is. We need this to put on the middle of our ribbon. So this ribbon guys is a part of my ponytail. So I just take it off to use for this collar. You can use anything guys. So now I'm gluing it. Ta-da! That's what it looks like guys. So we need just to arrange it like that, and yep. And I'm going to put this sequins. So I'm putting it on the side of my ribbon. So guys, this is what it looks like after all of that. And now we need to sew it out. We need to stick it out with that collar that I made earlier. So yeah. So now guys, I'm done. And now this is what it looks like. It's so cute, right? And now let's put the another one. I'm using this keychain guys that I didn't use anymore. So guys, I'm almost done and it's looking so cute. Ta-da! It's done. So guys, you should try it at home if you don't have collar for your dogs. And now I'm going to try it on to my dogs. Let's go! Okay guys, so papiliin muna natin dito si Phil. Yan. Ayan na guys si Phil. Pipili siya kung anong color gusto niya. Okay.
Feel. Feel. What do you want? This one or this one? Pili. Kahit pa. Pili. Ayaw niya, guys. Okay. So. Stop. Tapos kinakagat na po ni ano yan? Kulit po sila. Yeah. Look at them. Be right back. Ay, si Dimple. I hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications to notify every time I post. So guys, magulo sila. That's why I didn't take